Good day everybody, my name is Mr. Kingsley. Today we are going to quickly look at Ugo C Ugo test 2 section A. Right. First we will look at the sample. Here, for us to find the missing number, we are going to what? Say 2 plus 2 plus 1 rather plus 1 will give us 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give us what? 0. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 9. Now we're going to use this working to solve from number 1 to number 5. Okay, now here we say 9 plus 7 plus 2 is equals to 18. Right, that is the missing number. Now number 2. Now first, the answer has been given, so we are going to look for the missing number. If we must find the missing number, we are going to add the given ones. That is 20 plus 20 will give us 40. Now we are going to subtract this 40 from the main answer, that is 80, and if you subtract it, it's going to give you 40. Now let's proceed to number 3. The same thing here. The answer has been given, that is inside the triangle has been given. All what we need to do is to add the given ones, that is 8 plus 15, and that is 23. Subtract it from the main answer, that is 43 rather, we'll have 20 as our answer, as the missing number rather. Okay, now let's move to what? Number 4. Right, now here we're going to say 3 plus 4.5, that will give us 7.5. Of course, if we subtract it from the main answer, that is 8, it will give us half, that is 1/2. So our missing answer is 1/2, that is half. So now let's proceed to number 5, rather from 6 to 10. Right, so here we're going to look at sample B. First, if we have to work on this sample B, we need to consider the initials. Here we have 30 as the initial, we have 25 as the initial, and we have 8 as the initial. All we need to do is keep adding the initial to either the given one, that is 60, or 90 that is being given. You keep adding initial to give you 120. Now let's look at it here. 30 plus 30 will give you 60, right? And 60 plus the same initial 30 will give you 90. Now 90 plus the initial 30 will give you 120. If we keep applying this method, it's going to give us the same working in order to get our answer. Now let's look at number 5 here. Right, now here the initial was not given, but that doesn't mean we cannot get the initial. All we need to do is to subtract 6 from 9 to get the initial, and the initial is 3. So let's cross check this. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. Right, so we are right with our initial. Now here our initial is 7. How do we get this particular number? It's simple. We can as well say 21 minus 7 is equals to 14. So the missing number here is 14. Right, so 7 plus 7 will give you 14. 14 plus 7 will give you 21. 21 plus 7 will give us 28. So now let's proceed to the next slide. Here all we need to do is keep adding the initial. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. 10 plus 5 will give us 15. 15 plus 5 will give us 20. So our correct answer here is 10. Now let's proceed to number 8. Of course, half plus half will give us 1. 1 plus half will give us 1 and a half. And 1 and a half plus half will give us 2. So 2 is a missing number. Fine. Now let's proceed to the evaluation. Here I am going to give you few minutes to quickly look at the evaluation. Of course the answers are already there, but I would like you to pick a piece of paper and work it out to see if you are going to get 30 here, if you are going to get 11 here, if you are going to get 24 here, and as well you're going to get 24 here. So work it out. Thank you. And you can as well give me feedback through my WhatsApp number.
I wanna be a soldier, not before I'm engineer, not before I'm